Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your laptop with proper controls. Playing mobile games on a larger screen with keyboard and mouse offers a significant advantage. We will explore the best tools for this, starting with official options. Emulators are key, allowing your computer to mimic a mobile device. This setup provides a much more precise and immersive gaming experience, enhancing your competitive edge in every match. To begin, you will need to download your chosen emulator, such as Tencent Gaming Buddy, from its official website. Always ensure you are getting it from a trusted source to avoid any issues. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts. It usually takes just a few minutes to complete the installation process, getting you ready for the next step. With your emulator installed, open it up and navigate to its integrated app store. Search for PUBG Mobile, just as you would on a phone, and proceed to download and install the game directly within the emulator environment. After installation, launch the game and log in using your existing PUBG Mobile account or create a brand new one to jump into the action immediately. Most emulators come with pre-configured keyboard and mouse controls, offering a familiar PC gaming experience right out of the box. However, you can easily customize these keybinds to perfectly suit your personal playstyle and comfort. Additionally, remember to adjust the in-game graphics and performance settings within the emulator to ensure smooth gameplay and achieve the best possible frame rates for a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.